Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
We were doing tenses yesterday.
Good morning, ma'am.
How many exercises did we do? 2 or 3?
Ma'am, three.
Ma'am, three.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, three exercises we have done.
Okay, 3 we have done. In the third exercise, how many sentences you've done? How many answers were written? Tell me quickly.
Ma'am, 8.
Ma'am, eight.
Okay. I'll show you the exercises. This one we have already done. The first one on the screen is already done. Yes, you've written all the answers. Then I'll show you the second one. This also we did yesterday. Okay, let's go
No,
down.
ma'am, this we have not done.
Ma'am, yesterday we did subject verb conquer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are doing subject verb concord. Okay, we'll do tenses today. Okay, some normal basic exercises based on tenses I have taken up today with you. Very easy, very simple one. I hope you remember how to identify singular and plural. Wherever we have S, it is singular. Yes?
Singular. Yes, ma'am.
Remember. Okay. So let me admit these children. I was just reminding you that which word is singular. Tell me. Move or moves? Which is singular?
Ma'am, moves.
Moves.
Eat or eats?
Heats.
Eat.
Eats.
Play or plays?
Plays.
Plays.
Do
Plays.
or does?
Plays.
Do or does?
Does.
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 Is or are? Is or are?
Is.
Are.
Is.
Wherever you have
Is.
S, then it is singular. Is and are? Is singular.
Is.
Was and were?
Was.
Was.
Yes. Was is singular. Okay, sir? So always remember that wherever we have what letter?
S.
Because when you speak singular, you say the word, the letter S comes. This is a very simple way of learning. But wherever we have S, we are talking about singulars. So don't get confused. Chaliye, let me discuss the first sentence with you. The first 5 I'll do with you and then you plan your answers. Okay? Let me have the first one.
Ma'am, this we have to write in our notebook.
Later. Abhi will first discuss. Later we'll write. Abhi, nothing to write. I'll give you time. The earth dashed round the sun. What will be the answer?
Moves.
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 Because earth is only one. We dashed the Bhakra Dam yesterday.
We saw.
Good. Because we are talking about yesterday. We are talking about today or yesterday?
Yesterday.
Past tense.
So it is past tense. So saw. I dashed the Taj Mahal.
Have seen. Ma'am, have
I have
seen.
seen Taj Mahal.
I have seen the Taj
Ma'am,
Mahal.
I saw the Taj Mahal.
I saw Taj Mahal.
Beta, see, both are correct. I have seen and I saw the Taj Mahal. I dash only one letter up to now.
Have
I have
written.
written.
Have written.
Have
Very
written.
good. We cannot take it wrote because it is written now. So we are talking about present. She dash worried about something.
She looked.
Yes, ma'am.
Because we are
She
talking about
looked.
she. No, she is singular. Okay. So it could be she looks worried about something or she looked worried about something because they have not mentioned today or yesterday or what. So don't write anything. Please plan your answers from 6 to 15 till here. Don't disturb me. Please plan your answer. Do not write. No, Abhi, don't write. After we discuss, I'll give you time to write. Just now, don't write anything. You have to plan your answers from till 15th. That is, don't disturb. Did you see that sentence? Don't disturb,
Yes,
wala?
ma'am.
Just
Yes,
plan
ma'am.
it. Yes, beta. Do it till-
Yes, ma'am.
Don't write anything. Just plan your answers.
Ma'am, this is a revision of tensions, ma'am.
Yes, beta. And just raise your hands. That's all. Once you are ready with your answers, raise your hands. I'll discuss with you. Just raise your hands. Huh? Don't say done. Whoever is ready with the answers, just raise your hands.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is this porridge? Ma'am,
Porridge is dalia. Dalia. Have you ever eaten dalia?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that is porridge in English.
Okay.
15 students have already raised their hands. A very less number though, when there are so many children. Now 17. Okay, fine. Let me discuss. Speak the first sentence, one of you.
It started to rain while
While
we were playing football.
you were playing. Yes, Peter.
Were playing or played?
Peter,
Playing.
were playing. Yes.
Were playing football.
Yes, Peter. It's written while. Means when. साथ साथ हो रहा है. So were
Yeah.
playing. Second one.
Mohan was driving
Mohan
fast.
was
Ma'am,
driving fast.
Was
driving
was driving.
when he met with an
Was
accident.
driving.
driving.
Was driving is correct.
Ma'am
Come
was
to-
driving.
Come to the eighth one.
I
I have been sleeping for 6 hours when you woke me.
For
I
6
have
hours
been.
when you
Have
woke
been.
Ma'am, I had been.
Had been.
had been.
Beta, look here. It's written woke.
Yes,
It's not
ma'am.
yet.
So had
This
been.
is past tense. If you see, this is written woke. It's past tense. So had been sleeping. Come to the next one, ninth one.
Mohan wants to be a doctor when he grows up.
One wants to be a doctor when he grows up.
Ma'am wants to be a doctor when he grows up.
Okay, wants is correct. Tell me the next one.
They met at the
They-
CM yesterday.
at the CM
Yes, ma'am.
It is written yesterday, so past tense, so met. Very nice. 11th.
The girl died before the doctor
Girl
arrived.
died before the doctor
Died
arrived.
before the doctor arrived.
Second option.
Died is correct. Come to the 12th one.
The
The
Shatabdi
Shatabdi
The
left at
Shatabdi leaves at
7:45
7:45
p.m.
Leave.
p.m.
The
will
Shatabdi.
leave. Ma'am, it can be all the three.
See, beta.
The
Third one.
Shatabdi
not
left.
take. We can say the Shatabdi leaves at 7:45. मतलब वो रोज ही इसी टाइम पे जाती है. Shatabdi will leave मतलब जाएगी या चली गई. So all options can go
All are
correct.
correct.
Yes, ma'am.
13th.
porridge will taste good.
The porridge tasted good.
In this also
When
there are all
tasted.
points,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
will
because we
taste.
are not knowing the time.
Exactly. We can take
Ma'am, all
anything.
three.
Yes, ma'am.
Porridge and you're finding it good. खाते समय you will say the porridge is tasting. But if you ate yesterday and you said yeah the porridge tasted good, or if you're cooking and then you want to say अच्छा बनेगा, you will say porridge will taste good. 14th.
Tina
Tina
has
has
been
worked
working in the school since 2010.
Tina
since
has
Ma'am,
2010.
has been working. Has been
Ma'am has been working.
Has been working.
Because we are saying abhi bhi she is working from 2010 till date. So it has been working. 15th one.
Don't disturb
Don't
me.
disturb me. I am doing my official work.
I am doing.
I am doing.
I'm doing. Okay, we have discussed till 15. Now till 20. Please till here. Only till 20. Look the sun till here. Please plan your answers till 20. Look the sun. Can you see that word sentence? Look the sun.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
That is sentence number 20. Just plan it till there.
Just over the hills.
Beta, first plan your answers. Take a minute. Raise your hands. Only 5 sentences I've given you. Plan your answers quickly.
I'm done.
Raise your hands,
Ma'am.
Beta. Just raise your hands so that I get to know how many you have done. Because when you people say done, I don't know the same child is saying done or what. We were 20 students raised hand. That's a good number. Let's start. Tell me, Beta. If you see him, tell me.
If you see him, give the message to him.
Give
Give the message to him.
Give the message to him.
Ma'am, give the message.
Give.
17th. 17th.
If you will go outside, take an umbrella.
Take an umbrella. It is raining.
It is raining.
It is raining.
Go and is running.
Not will go. Because
Ma'am,
we
it
are
will be
saying-
go. Yes, ma'am.
because it is written is. So we cannot say will go. We cannot go for future tense. Always be careful. If you go outside, take an umbrella, it is raining. Tell me the 18th.
The
The headmaster wants to see you. Wants. Third option.
It's singular, so wants. 19th.
Here are your shoes.
Here are your shoes. I just cleaned them.
Have
First option.
Have just cleaned.
Have just
I
cleaned.
just cleaned.
Ma'am, I just or I have just.
No, not just. It is have just.
Only just clean.
No, it should be have just cleaned. Anything which is recent past, जो चीज बस अभी अभी करी है, we always use perfect tense. That is have and have. Okay. So you have just cleaned them. So what is the word you will use?
Have just cleaned.
Have just.
I come to your house and you say, "Ma'am, please have lunch." And मैंने अभी अभी खाया है. So what will I say? I just had or I have just had lunch?
Ma'am, I just had a lunch.
I have just. अभी just थोड़ी देर पहले अगर कोई चीज हुई है recent past, we use have. Okay, let's go to this.
Look, the sun has risen over the hills. Ma'am, has risen.
See, both can be correct. The sun
Yes,
has
ma'am.
or
The
is
sun
rising.
has rising is rising.
Both are correct. Because we are saying look. तो अभी अभी निकला होगा so we can use has. I just told you ना अभी just कोई चीज हुई है तो we use the word has. He has just come to my house. What do we say? He has just come to my house. अभी आए हैं. That is how we speak. He has just come to my house.
Has
Yes,
risen.
ma'am.
So has risen and look bhi hai. So I'll say look. If I'm showing you abhi, I'll say look, the sun is rising over the hills. Both can be taken. Both can be taken as correct. Okay, let's first do one thing. There are 20 sentences. Ek saath you will not be able to write. Please write the answers for the first 10 quickly. Put on the heading tenses. Put today's date and the heading tenses. I'll help you. If anyone has problem, they can ask. Your friends will help you also. Put today's date, put on the heading tenses. And then write exercise 1. Exercise 1. And then write the answers. Okay. One of you, any one of you whose work is complete. Whose work is complete, children? Anyone, any student who's confident that the work is complete in the notebooks. Is there anyone who's confident? Very confident that ma'am, my work is all complete.
Ma'am,
No.
since I have joined the school, I have completed.
And when did you join, my dear? Okay, children, class 9, tell me quickly now, what all have you written in your notebooks? Very quickly. What topics, what in writing section, what in grammar?
Ma'am,
Just
I
tell
have
me.
done from determiners.
Okay. He has
Ma'am,
done
there
from
is prepositions, then modals, and then there are exercises of prepositions and modals. Then descriptive writing is there. Then article writing is there. Then again many exercises on determiners, modals, prepositions. Then ma'am, we have done subject verb concord.
Good. So determiners, prepositions, modals, subject verb concord. These 4 exercises we have already done. Yes. And in writing section, we have done descriptive writing and we have done article writing. Have you seen the syllabus? Have you seen the CBSE syllabus, which is there for this year? Has anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So tomorrow, do we have a class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I'll
ma'am.
I'll make you note down first term, second term, what has to be done and all these things.
I'm totally chapter.
You already discussed?
Yes, ma'am. You
Yes,
discussed.
ma'am,
Yes,
you
ma'am, we
already
have
gave us.
discussed.
Yes,
Then-
ma'am.
Fine, Peter. If you all are clear, then no issues. Very good.
Ma'am, there will be same for term 1 and term 2 in grammar.
Yes, beta, we've already given you the division for term 1 and term 2. What will come in term 1, what will come in term 2. Still, if anyone has problem, I'll discuss it tomorrow. Are we done? Have you written the answers for first 20?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you told till 10.
Oh, sorry, 10. Sorry, 10. I'll just scroll down. You write till 20. We have done till 20 now. So you people write down the answers till 20. Raise your hands and I'll discuss the next 5 sentences.
Okay, madam. Ma'am, can you please tell the 11th one once again?
Come on, somebody help him out.
Died.
Ma'am, died.
Died.
Ma'am, died.
Okay.
Ma'am, please tell me the eighth one.
Tell Peter.
Had been.
Had been.
Correct.
Yes.
Just raise your hands, those who finished writing all 20. Let me see how many hands raised. Okay, same number. Aradhe, Abhi, what happened? Aradhe,
Yes,
finished
ma'am.
writing or not?
Yes, ma'am. Almost.
Abhinath,
Yes, ma'am.
finished beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Adarsh, Ankur, okay, let me see. Okay. Adarsh and Ankur Gangwar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are there. I'm just seeing how many of you are just present for name. Ankur Gangwar, good morning.
Ma'am, Divyang Mishra has not connected the audio only.
Mom, what will be in 14?
Which one, beta?
Mom, in 14.
Tell her, Tina dash in this school. Tell the answer.
Has been working.
Has been working.
Has been working.
Yes. So we are left with only these sentences till here, up to 26. Plan your answers quickly. Hurry up, hurry up. Chalo, we'll do it together. Speak this one, 21. Then I'll give you time to write.
Ma'am, we have been
Ma'am, we
waiting.
have been waiting for your call since morning.
Since morning.
Ma'am, have been waiting.
Good, good. Now next.
Our
Ma'am,
guests have
our-
arrived. They are sitting in
Sir,
the drawing
have,
room.
ma'am, have arrived.
Have arrived. Have
ma'am,
arrived.
Ma'am,
Next.
have arrived.
Yes. Next.
John used to visit us regularly, but he rarely comes now.
Very good. Used to visit.
Really.
Rarely comes.
It rarely
Yes.
comes now.
Ma'am, first one.
Good.
We
Next.
have
We
done
had
a
done
lot
a
of work.
lot of work.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have
ma'am,
done
we
and have
did.
did.
Ma'am, we have
Ma'am, we did a lot of work
And
today.
we have done a lot of work.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have done.
have done and did both can be there.
And both have done and did.
We did a lot of work today. We have done a lot of work today.
And both are
Next.
correct.
Yes, next.
Ma'am, we have
And we have finished our work half an hour ago.
and ma'am, we finished our work, ma'am. Ma'am, both
We
are correct.
had finished.
No, have finished is correct. I told you जो थोड़ी देर पहले ही होता है, use have. So it's just half an hour हुआ है, so it's have finished. Last
We
one.
have it, ma'am.
After I had my dinner, I went for a walk.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I had.
Ma'am,
Had,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, had.
After I had my dinner, I went for a walk. Just 5 more sentences. Complete it quickly. Raise your hands. Let's move on to the next exercise.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, please move further.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, complete it quickly.
Done, ma'am.
I'm done.
Yes, let's start.
Ma'am, will arrive.
Beta, I'm giving you a few minutes, 2 minutes or something. First, let's
Okay,
all these
ma'am.
29 hands, all 29 hands down. Very good, children. They finished their work. Good, very good. And then once you finish this exercise, raise your hands. Then we'll write the answers. We still have 10 minutes for the class. Good, very good, children. Shall we do it quickly?
Ma'am, tell where we have to do.
Whatever is visible on the screen, these sentences.
Ma'am, day 11.
Okay.
Okay, beta. Chalo beta, let's start. Speak the first answer.
When the train arrives at
Arrive at
5:15.
Ma'am, both can be.
Arrive. Train will arrive at.
Ma'am, both.
Ma'am, both options are correct.
Ma'am will arrive.
Ma'am, both.
Ma'am,
Ma'am
arrive.
both.
Ma'am, both.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta,
both
both
are
are correct.
correct.
Second one now.
I
I
will
will
call
call you when he will come.
You will come.
I will come.
Will come.
Yes, when he
Will
will come. Third one.
The
Is
baby
crying.
cries because
Baby
it is
is
hungry.
crying.
Ma'am,
because it is
cry.
hungry.
Ma'am,
Baby is
cries.
crying.
It is
Ma'am
written
is
is.
crying.
So because we are talking about present tense, so take it as is crying. Next one.
We may
We
visit
may
We
visit
may
Ma'am,
Mathura
visit
next week.
Mathura
Mathura
next
next week.
week.
We
Visit.
may visit. Ma'am
Correct.
visit.
Visit Mathura next week. Next.
Ma'am, help, I will fall.
Help, I will fall. I will fall.
Help, I
Fall.
I will
fall.
fall.
Ma'am, I am going to fall.
Yes, beta. Good.
Ma'am, I am going to fall.
Ma'am, I will fall.
Let me see. Help, I will fall.
Ma'am, I
Oh,
am going to fall.
yes, beta. I am going.
Ma'am,
I
can be
am
correct.
going to fall.
Because he's asking for help now. Abhi help
Yes,
karo.
ma'am.
So help, I am going to fall. Next.
And they are not speaking to each other since they quarreled.
Very good. Are
They
not
are not speaking.
Next one. Next one, children.
Ma'am,
When
this
the
This
chapter
chapter is not
chapter is
long,
not long.
I
I
read.
I will have read it by evening.
Yes, very good. I will have read it by.
have read by evening.
It will.
Will have
The
read.
next term begins on 28th October.
Ma'am begins.
Begins.
Begins on
Will
20.
begin.
Begins.
The
Ma'am,
next
begin.
term will begin.
Will begin.
Will begin.
Will begin.
The next term will begin or begins, both are correct.
Ma'am, both
Okay.
are correct, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, both are correct.
Next
Look
one,
at
beta.
the. It will.
Look at the black cloud.
It
It is
will.
going to rain.
Ma'am, it
Is
is going to
to
rain.
rain.
It is
Going to rain.
It is going to rain.
Yes,
Look
it's
at the
correct.
black clouds.
Next one.
It is going to rain. And the train leaves before we reach the station.
Ma'am, the train leaves before we
And
reach the
leaves.
station.
No,
Yes.
Ma'am
this is
leaves.
No stop.
will have left.
the train will have left before we reach the station.
Before
जब
we reach
हम
the station, yes.
train चली जाएगी, will have left. Yes,
I
I
am going
am
to
going.
Shimla tomorrow.
Ma'am, I am going to Shimla tomorrow.
yes, I'm going to Shimla tomorrow. Beta, hurry up. We still have 4 minutes. Write the answers. Post your work quickly. I'm waiting.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, from the fresh page or ma'am under that, yes, we have
Which
done.
we have done today. First, finish this, and then post everything. All the work of today. Quickly post
Okay,
it.
ma'am.
I'm waiting.
Ma'am, this is
Ma'am, can we
exercise 2.
continue it in first exercise?
No, this is exercise 2, beta.
Okay. ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
This is exercise 2.
Okay, ma'am.
And no need to write questions. Just write one word answers quickly. Post your work on the group. I'm on the groups only checking.
Ma'am, what is the answer of second and fourth?
Yes, beta. Help your friend.
Ma'am, second ma'am
When
will come.
he will come. Second
And the fourth one,
which one?
visit.
Fourth one visit will visit.
Visit.
Yes.
We may,
What is the problem in the fourth one? We may visit Mathura.
yes, only visit, ma'am. Ma'am, visit.
Yes, it's not will visit. It is visit.
Okay.
Ma'am, please tell the second last one.
Ma'am will have left.
The train will
Yes.
have left.
Okay. Ma'am, send.
Yes, beta, good.
Ma'am, ma'am, should I post?
Yes, beta, all of you please post.
And I have sent. I have also sent.
Beta, those who sent
Posted.
post on the group and leave the meeting. Hardly 1 minute is left. Please raise your hands, those who are posting. I'm on the group.
Ma'am, posted.
I'm posted.
Ma'am, I have also posted this.
Children, just post and raise your hands and leave the meeting. Okay, one by one, I'm already checking on the group.
Posted, ma'am.